So what's up guys, it's JoyYT back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D text for free. So what you need to do is get Video Star. It's free, just get it from the App Store. And then after you get into your videos, just find whatever you want. It doesn't even matter honestly. Okay, after you process it, and then click on new, click on multi-layer. As you can see, this has a color, but you can just take it off. As you can see, you can just make it black, it doesn't matter. And then what you need to do is click on click on text, click on as you can see, I did it already, but click on it and just write whatever you want. Okay. Oh, I accidentally edit text. Okay, so then just click on text right there, like that little button. I'll zoom in onto it. And then as you can see, there's solid, there's outline, there's hollow. Oh, that's pretty cool, I didn't know. And there's 3D. So what you want to do is 3D, and then pick whatever font you want. You can pick your color. And this might be a little bit tricky, but for the outline, you click on that, and then you click on this one right here, and then you can like change the color of it, so you can see. But I like it like that. And yeah, I was having a little bit of trouble figuring it out earlier, but this is what I was doing. So I would click 3D over here and it did nothing, so like it was kind of, yeah, but then I figured it out and it's pretty easy. And you can also move it, like how big it is and stuff. If it's like rotated, whatever you want, then you can make it normal again. I'm just gonna make it a little bit big, and then that's good. I'm gonna create it. As you can see, I got it. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of it, because I know this is kind of boring with just having it like that. It's still pretty cool with the 3D, but what you need to do is take a screenshot. After you do that, open up this app called Photoshop Mix, Adobe Photoshop Mix. It's free. And hold up, I need a login. Oh, okay, I guess I didn't. I just clicked on something. Okay, well, then what you do is click on the plus that is zoomed in on editing, and then click on camera, access to all photos. Okay, hold up, click on image, yeah, and then find the screenshot that you had. So after you do that, click on cutout. This is what I like this app for. Click on subtract, because we're going to be taking out, and then just do this. Might not be perfect. It's pretty easy. And yeah, you just like hover over it, do it slowly, don't do it too hard, or else it might mess up the outline and stuff. So as you guys can see, I messed up a little there, so I'm gonna add that back real quick. Over here I messed up a little, and yeah. And then as you guys can see, you can just really easily do this with the rest. I'm gonna get back when I'm done finished.
That is a mobile player.
But then what you want to do is click at this button right here, and then click on camera roll, and then it's gonna save it. And then I'm gonna go to my camera, and as you can see, we got it. And it's black, but I'm gonna see if it like works like when you put it into a clip or something. Okay, as you can see, I just got a little clip here. I'm gonna get the thing. As you can see, it shows up perfectly. And yeah, so you can do this with other apps too. I'm just using Fusion right now. And it kind of does like a circle, which I think that's kind of cool. But you're probably not gonna want to put it on like a clip here, like a cinematic or something. You're gonna want to put it on, because that's just kind of dumb to put it there, or maybe people like that. But as you can see, we have that, and I'm just gonna add in this photo right here real quick. So yeah, that goes good with the same colors and everything. So as you guys can see, it's 3D, but in your camera roll, it'll just have like a black background. Like it'll just be black, but it works. So yeah, and here's an example on how to do it on a different app. Don't waste your time cropping out the back. Is just get your project or whatever, and then click on mixer, and then get it, and then as you can see, it does that. But You can click on mask, or actually no, it's blending, and then click on screen. But then it kind of like, as you can see, it's kind of like bland a little. Can't really see that, I don't know. It's kind of like lighter, I don't know. But you can just do that if you don't really want to waste your time cropping out the thing, like. But I just do the other way because it looks better, because it has more like light into it or whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and sub. Bye and peace out.